Skateboarding has become a very popular means of transport over the years. Skateboards are great, no matter if you're a student looking for a product to help you get around, a mother of two, or just a skateboarding enthusiast. There are many products available to choose skateboards for beginners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best skateboards for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crown Rookie Complete Skateboard. Crown's motto is to provide quality skateboards on a budget. They manage that surprisingly well. Not only are their products at budget prices, but they can take quite a beating too. Their skateboards arrive readily assembled and ready to ride. You won't have to spend hours fiddling with screws and bolts to ride your new prized possession. No matter if you are a beginner or an expert looking for a good board to ride on, Crown's product is made to fit everyone's needs. Crown's board design is simple, but speaks 1,000 words when examined closely. There are flames on the two opposite sides of the board, available in 6 colors. If you are fussy about what your skateboard looks like, then Crown will surely provide you with enough suitable options. The candy and maple construction helps the skateboard be a durable alternative to the more expensive boards out on the market today. The aluminum trucks help ensure that your board won't break anytime soon, and the skateboard's grip tape allows you to stay on your board firmly at all times. Number 2. Believe Cruiser Skateboards for Beginners. Believe is a well-known company in the skateboarding market. Their products can be used by kids, teenagers, and adults. The company usually aims at making boards that serve dual purposes. Their boards offer stable rides for beginners. Advanced riders also get the flexibility to do different tricks when riding at high speeds using Believe boards. If you want to invest in a durable skateboard that'll last for years, Believe Cruiser is an excellent choice. It's a perfect entry-level skateboard that offers various impressive features. Plus, this company has put a lot of work in ensuring the safety of riders, hence one feels more confident when skating on different surfaces. It features a compact design, meaning that you can comfortably pack it into your bag if needed. Plus, the board comes with light-up wheels for cool cruising. Also, it comes in 4 colors for different personalities and tastes. It measures 22 inches, which is a perfect size for people who want to enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride with their skateboard. It is also 6 inches wide, which leaves enough space for a kid's feet to fit perfectly on its surface. Believe Mini Cruiser has a durable board made of several layers of maple. It supports riders weighing up to 220 pounds. Additionally, it features thick aluminum trucks that ensure maximum speed and control. It comes with pull wheels and high-speed ABEX7 bearings along with a shock absorption system to ensure that you ride smoothly even on uneven bumpy surfaces. Kicktail is also included to offer added control when skating, which makes it great for various maneuvers. Number 3. Cal 22 Complete Mini Cruiser Plastic Skateboard. Enjoy the Cal 7 223 Complete Mini Cruiser Plastic Skateboard on your neighborhood pavement. The bold design of this board helps you to stand out among the rest. It's convenient to place in a carry-on suitcase or a backpack for long journeys. These fun Mini Cruiser plastic skateboards come in many colorful designs, so you can ride in style from place to place. It's 23 inches long, and the skateboard's deck has a width of 6 inches that provides plenty of room to cruise. The 78A wheels 3 shock absorbing when traversing on rugged streets. The soft wheels of this Mini Cruiser plastic skateboard can handle tight turns. The very affordable Cal 7 223 Complete Mini Cruiser Plastic Skateboard is ideal for novice riders who want to cruise solo or with fellow skateboarders. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.